must come into one and man, what kind of question that they ask? You know, we have to watch over on the like an angel.
But just to make sure, because me I go on the road now, so I just want to know what time I come in.
About 8 o'clock them time.
8 o'clock? Alright, me I reach in by then time just still.
Make sure you're not coming on fuck out and out the door to the
Don't worry yourself, bro. That now I'm gonna reach him, man. And if me not reach him by then time, just show me.
Alright, man, look at today I'm gonna go on. So go on, you see.
Alright, make sure you're alright to spot today, yeah?
They know my girl, man. I'm here on the place, man. Yeah, good, man.
Alright. Later, me I go on the road now.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man.
Be safe.
Same to you.
Alright.
Patsy? Yeah, come up here. Me I go up on the road now, you know. Oh, yeah, come for here. That mean you don't need me then. Oh, alright. Me I leave now. Yeah, yes.
Thanks. I take care, yeah? Gotta feel it, you know? Daddy,
Little girl?
when you just stop calling me little girl, you know, say me become one now?
Me know. Especially now.
What that's supposed to mean?
Tell me something. You can't come down on the yard. Every time me have to come find you. Me no love run back a woman, you know. You should have lucky you me pick me.
Daddy, I tell you, see me I come look for you, know? You just not no patience. And remember, I'm busy now, I'm a busy girl.
It shows in your weight. Busy in a people head. But can't find time to come look for me. You know how much food Mildred cook over there? And for that she give dog, me and dog a rest over food.
I promise you, that me go come. Not this weekend, next weekend.
Well, you see, if next weekend come and you no come, no expect to see me again, you know. For me don't tell you, say me no love run back at people. Ask your mama about me.
So what that's supposed to mean, Daddy? And mommy look you?
Take care what you said to me a while ago, you little girl. Me went chacha boy, you know. You know it's what your mama meet me? On the dance floor. Hey, you see back in them day there, when you scared? How me a rock steady? You know I'd love that part, yeah. Hey, you see me shot? You see me pants? And Kumi boot? Your mama just running.
Daddy, please, in your life, never do that again.
You can't turn the chat. For me sure say if I you back in them day there, you'd all look me too. Hey, little girl. You see your mama and her friend there? I fight. Them used to fight over me, no.
TMI. Okay, Mr. Chacha Boy Star.
Cha-cha, poopa.
Okay, Daddy. What that's supposed to mean?
You know I'm really come up here, though.
No. But you can't tell me.
When you plan to tell me?
It's a one dream of the opening double C, you know?
So one dream me never did get.
What's all ago?
You don't mind that. Question can't answer question. When you go tell the boy.
When is the right time? And now it's not the right time. I want to tell him, you know, I want to give it as a surprise.
Like how you buy a vehicle and keep it as a surprise?
Oh, you know about that?
Oh, you don't know, say me no?
So you starting on one vision too?
No. The place where you buy from, I'm a friend only.
What kind of friend that? Me know the friend there?
Me no think so. As somebody when me read out sitting for.
Oh, so yeah,
Daughter.
spiritual leader, Zaddy. Come on, you don't know me better than that.
Oh. Remember say I gonna need your voice? You tell the boy.
Yes, Daddy. For now, I just want to keep everything from him until I'm ready. I'm not ready yet.